Microsoft has just taken the wraps off its latest offering, the Surface Laptop Studio 2, and the initial impression looks promising, especially when compared to its predecessor. But the real question is whether it can outshine its competitor, the M2 MacBook Pro. Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 retains a similar layout to its predecessor, sporting a 14-inch display. It flaunts a platinum aluminum finish that screams sophistication. One unique feature is the woven fabric hinge that allows the device to transform 180 degrees, offering versatility in form. However, it's worth noting that it's a bit under the thick and heavy side, weighing in at 4.37 pounds. It's equipped with two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB-A, a microSD slot, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a Surface Connect port, and also the mechanical backlead keys, including functional keys for Windows and media controls, add to its usability. Besides the customizable haptic trackpad, seamless to transition the device to tablet form. It's all about versatility and functionality. On the Apple side, the M2 MacBook Pro also boasts a 14-inch display and follows the same traditional Pro design outline available in silver and space gray. It's built with aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and a premium feel. It features the MagSafe 3-port, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a microSD card slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an HDMI port. However, if you're craving even more power, there's also a 16-inch MacBook Pro option. For the keyboard, it's using the backlit Magic Keyboard, but although the MacBook Pro does not come with a touchscreen display, it does include a touch bar for advanced functionality. As we can see, neither Microsoft nor Apple made any significant changes when it came to the design of the product. They're more focused on upgrading their internal capabilities and overall performance. Now let's talk screens. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 boasts a 14.4-inch Pixel-Sense Flow touchscreen with a 2400 by 600 resolution. It offers a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, HDR, Vision support, and a 1080p front camera for your video conferencing needs. On the other side, the M2 MacBook Pro has a 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with a stunning 3024 by 1964 resolution. It features an adaptive refresh rate that goes up to 120 Hz and boasts an eye-popping peak brightness of 1600 nits. It also includes a 1080p front camera for video calls, the same as the Studio 2. So when it comes to display, the M2 MacBook Pro screen is nothing short of spectacular, with its high resolution, adaptive refresh rate, and incredible brightness, making it a visual delight for any task. However, the Pixel-Sense Flow touchscreen definitely makes it stand out because it can transform the laptop into a full-fledged tablet as well. The 2-in-1 form factor definitely makes it quite a unique choice compared to the M2 MacBook Pro. Under the hood, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is powered by the 13th Gen i7-13700H processor, and it offers a choice between an RTX 4050 or RTX 4060 GPU. What's particularly impressive is the dedicated NPU Neural Processing Unit for enhanced AI support in Microsoft 365 apps, a feature that sets it apart. Now, depending on your GPU choice, it can provide up to 18 hours of battery support. If you're about to get this laptop for work purposes like illustration, art, or editing, you can definitely expect a satisfying work experience, especially with its AI-enhanced capabilities and impressive battery life. It's a workhorse for productivity. On the Apple side, the M2 MacBook Pro is powered by the M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. While these processors might not be the newest integrated graphics, pack a punch compared to Intel's integrated graphics. It promises a substantial 12 to 18 hours of battery life, depending on usage. The M2 MacBook Pro's performance is solid and it offers strong integrated graphics, but it's not as AI-focused as the Surface Laptop Studio 2. Its battery life is also impressive for a workhorse laptop. Although the 13th Gen CPU integrated graphics game is not that strong, but the additional NVIDIA GPU support on the Surface MacBook Pro definitely makes the Surface Laptop Studio 2 a strong contender. However, the M2 Pro and M2 Max chips are still pretty solid choices when it comes to productivity. Now both of these 14-inch models come in at a similar price range. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 starts at $1,999 for the base model and can go up to $3,699 for the upgraded version. The 14-inch M2 MacBook Pro starts at $1,999 and goes up to $3,099. If you're eyeing the 16 inches models, they can go as high as $3,499. So we can pretty much say that both devices offer competitive pricing for the respective specifications and features. In the end, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 stands out with its AI-enhanced capabilities, seamless transition to tablet mode and compatibility with the Surface Slim Pen 2. It offers versatility in a sleek package, especially for those who value AI integration and hybrid functionality. For them, it can be a great choice. On the other hand, the M2 MacBook Pro focuses on delivering a powerful conventional laptop experience with its stunning display and impressive battery life. Now it may not have a touchscreen or AI features, but it's a workhorse in its own right. The M2 MacBook Pro is a solid choice for those who prioritize performance and the classic MacBook experience. So should you be choosing the Surface Laptop Studio 2 over the M2 MacBook Pro? Well, you can't go wrong with either, but your decision should be based on your priorities, whether it's AI capabilities, versatility, or the classic Apple experience. What do you think? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments section down below and consider subscribing for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.